Music is good and clear on.
Hate to see the old thing go, but you know, you can't hang around forever, I guess.
It was definitely kind of a bittersweet moment seeing it all come tumbling down.
Owner and operator Steve Eberhardt watched in sadness as the old KGAF building was torn down this morning, recalling the many fond memories of the place where he began his career many years ago.
Well, I started here when I was in high school at age 16, so it's kind of come full circle for me.
At just 16 years old, Eberhardt was a DJ at KGAF, but even before, he recalls growing up listening to the AM station, broadcasting local news and country music, and how the original owner, Joe Leonard, brought lots of famous people through that building. This transmitter room is the only thing left standing of the old KGAF studios, the very place where Elvis Presley was interviewed in 1955. 79-year-old Bud Foster also began his long radio career at KGAF when he was just a teenager. As the DJ of the Buffalo Bud Foster Show, he recalls meeting Elvis.
When Elvis was just starting out, he come here and he done a show down at the ballpark, and he was on the stage, but he didn't have about 200 people there.
And that afternoon before the show, Elvis showed up here at Radio Hill and walked into the radio station building, and they put him in a chair and interviewed him live on the air.
Although sad to see it go, Eberhardt says the building was just beyond repair, but the memories will last forever. And KGAF AM radio station continues to broadcast today from its new building in the same spot on Radio Hill Road. In Gainesville, Jayla Gray, First News.